How do we help students today to become a global citizen? Well, I believe it starts in the classroom, where learning becomes about connections, inquiry, and making bridges between cultures. For over 10 years, that belief has shaped my career from classroom teacher to a program leader. Hi, I'm Xiaoqing. I've taught Chinese over 10 years across Asia, from Kyrgyzstan to Cambodia, and now I'm based in Myanmar. My career began in the classroom, teaching Chinese to every age group, from kindergarten to adult learner. I prepare students for exams like HSK and AP exam. But most importantly, I focus on making language alive and useful. I design the lessons where students don't just memorize the words, but use them in the real life situation or multiple cultural projects. This hands-on and student-centered approach has always been my core, whether I was teaching online or in an international school. From that teaching core, I moved into building programs. I launched the very first Chinese program at Smart Kids International Schools in Siem Reap. My team and I will build everything from curriculum up. A few years later in Phnom Penh, I scaled that success by leading 4-5 plus teachers for 300 plus students. My focus was creating engaging curriculum and providing a pedagogic training so that students can learn in a way that felt natural and fun. After a thoughtful break to take off my newborn, I'm now ready to focus on my career on IB World. I took an EL specialist to deepen my understanding on language acquisition. I'm now actively completing my IB certifications in IB, PYP, MYP, and DP. What I can offer your school? You will get an educator who leads from deep classroom teaching experiments, creating fun, engaging, inquiry-based language lesson. You will get a collaborative program builder who connects learning across subjects and cultures. And you will get an engaged professional ready to learn, adapt, and contribute to your school's unique community from day one. Thanks for your time. I'm Xiaoqing, and I'm a dedicated Chinese educator with 10 years proven skills. Contact me today.